Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to change or reset your PNC debit card PIN online. If you've forgotten your PIN or just need to update it, the process is quick and simple. So let's get started. So first, to get started, you go to the PNC Pesos website, which is this one, or you can go from here like pnc.com/pesos and this will take you to this page. And once you are on the website, log in with your credentials here. And if you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one to manage your card PIN. After logging in, navigate to the option for changing or resetting your PIN. This will allow you to choose a new 4-digit PIN for your card. Now, then simply confirm your new PIN, 4-digit PIN, and code. Once that is done, your PIN will be updated and you can start using it right away. And that's all there is to it. Now you can reset your PIN by calling at this number here 1-866-416-5689. And also you can now read this PDF to get more idea on how to change PIN both offline and online. And that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.